connecting QuickBooks to KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to connect QuickBooks Online or desktop securely, map your accounts, and let transactions sync automatically with a log that flags anything that fails. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Accounting, QuickBooks Sync from your dashboard. Let's connect QuickBooks so your invoices, payments, and inventory costs flow straight into your books without re-entering anything. KettleiQ works with both QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop. Choose your QuickBooks type, then connect. For online, you get a secure sign-in window from Intuit, the company behind QuickBooks. You log in with your QuickBooks credentials and authorize the connection. You never hand us your password. Once connected, open Account Mapping. This is where you tell me which QuickBooks account handles sales, inventory, cost of goods sold, and taxes. Pick one from each drop-down and save. From there, new transactions sync automatically. The sync log shows exactly what synced and flags anything that didn't, so you catch issues before month end instead of after.